A small hole can sink the big boat. Same there, very little mistakes can cause large damage. In this video, I talk about a very small habit that is barrier to our success. There are 2 points. You often hear of the proverb, a small droplet of water, if drops continuously at the same place, even on the stone, it can make a hole in the stone. This is the power of consistency. This power can make any person so powerful and successful. Today you have thought you will study. Today you have thought you will control your mind. Or you have thought that you will start a work not for an hour only but 2 hours. But in only 2-3 days you have forgotten that you had to study every day. Not for 2-3 days, but every day you have to study. You had to control your mind. This is the mistake that we make. We start any work in excitement. But to be successful, we should follow the consistency. We have to do that work again and again. No one gets effective result after doing only 2-3 days work. To go for gym few days instead to go for days and months, you find the result. A stream not by its strength or power, but due to continuous tries tear the rock. Same for their very small things, but continuously done works can reach us at our destination. So for success, the first thing is consistency. For this, you have to motivate it every day. You have to remember your aim. You have to struggle every day. Now for point 2. Why we get deviated from our work or purpose. We have a problem. That is laziness, idleness. It stops us to do work continuously. If remember that last day you had studied a lot. You have done maximum. Today you are tired now. No more work for today. Do on tomorrow. Once you get this, you lose your consistency. The person lose or wastes much precious time due to laziness. Never allow laziness to come close to you. You have yourself motivate. Remember your target daily. When you do such, your brain make the way to go your destination like that stone.